In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text around image in WPS Office Writer. Adding images to your document can greatly improve how your content looks and feels, especially when the text flows neatly around the image. Wrapping text around an image helps create a clean and professional layout, making your document easier to read and visually balanced. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of inserting an image and wrapping text around it in WPS Office Writer in a smooth and simple way. To get started, open your document and click the Insert tab at the top of the screen. From there, click Picture, then click From File. This allows you to browse your computer and choose the image you want to add to your document. Once you find the image, click on it and then click Open. The image will immediately appear in your document. After inserting the image, you may notice that it looks too large or does not fit well with your text. If that happens, simply click on the image and drag the corners inward to resize it. Adjusting the size makes it easier to position the image properly and ensures that the surrounding text looks neat and well spaced. Now that your image is in place, it's time to wrap the text around it. Click on the image to select it. Once selected, look for the Wrap Text option. Click Wrap Text, then click Square. This setting allows the text to flow evenly around all sides of the image rather than staying only above or below it. After selecting the Square Wrap option, click and drag the image into the middle of your text. As you move the image, you'll notice that the text automatically adjusts and surrounds the image based on its position. This makes it easy to place the image exactly where you want it, while keeping the text aligned and readable. Take a moment to fine-tune the image placement by slightly moving it left or right until the spacing looks balanced. You can also resize the image again if needed to improve the overall layout. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how polished your document appears. Once everything looks right, review your document to ensure the text flows smoothly around the image. Wrapping text properly not only improves design, but also enhances readability, especially in reports, articles, or school projects. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.